Let's get a look at our forecast. The umbrellas are out.
And I wouldn't put them too far away, although I got some information about the weekend. Even though Saturday is going to have a rain or even a storm chance, I think Saturday is going to end up being a pretty good-looking day during the daylight hours. So let me get you outside right now. There's your picture. And what's KJ referring to? The umbrellas are helping with the raindrops, and that's what they are right now. They are raindrops. In New York City, it's a light rain, 61 degrees right now. Your high temp was 65. That was at 9 o'clock in the morning. So you're 5 degrees off the mark, but temperature-wise, that's just fine. And here's your chance for seeing any sort of severe weather today, all right? And the possibilities for a thunderstorm, and even that's a very slight risk, all right? That's today. Tomorrow, National Weather Service says, hey, let's bump up the chance for a good portion of our area to a marginal risk for severe weather. I mean, look, we've all got a chance to see some thunderstorms tomorrow, that light green color. But it's this sort of lime green color, marginal risk for severe weather tomorrow as we'll watch another front come through the area. Here's the front moving through, and you can see the back edge right here with this sort of yellow line I've drawn for you. On one side of it, the rain. On the other side, no rain. Well, this line will be just off our eastern tip of Long Island by about 9 p.m. We're done with it. And then you're really looking at this air mass right here for your Saturday. This is why I'm so keen on Saturday during the daytime hours. I think it looks pretty good for the first half of the day. Second half of the day, we're going to watch this front come through the area, and that is going to give us a chance for some thunderstorms or, you know, even a marginal chance for severe weather. That will then push through, and then behind it, you had a wind shift. Winds come in from the northwest. It's going to be a much cooler Sunday. All right, not bright sunshine, because look, you can see there are trailing clouds all throughout this air mass I'm pointing at, but it's going to be significantly colder, and with the winds out there, maybe even be talking a wind chill Sunday morning at times. Let me show you how the Futurecast picking up on all this. Saturday, there you are starting off your morning. That's a nice picture to wake up to. I think you're going to really like cracking your eyes open in the morning, looking out the window saying, hey, full steam ahead. Well, full steam ahead until later in the day. And I mean significantly now, later in the day. About, say, 7:30, according to this Futurecast, some wet weather's making its way into the city. It'll be obviously earlier in those portions west of the city. Could be like, say, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock in the afternoon. But again, the bulk of the daytime hours, I think, looks pretty good. And then that pushes through. Now watch this for Sunday. We talked about the cold air setting up. And there's a slight 10% chance for a little bit of leftover precipitation. But do you see this? Even the possibility of a little bit of sleet mixed in. Some places, I think, basically north of our area, but close enough gives you the hint at what the temperatures will be like. Here we go. 73 for Saturday. You've got that rain chance as that secondary line comes through the area. Then you're looking at 61 on Sunday. 61, the best you're going to do. Plenty of you are stuck in the 50s. You've got winds as well. Maybe a 10% chance for a little bit of leftover moisture. Monday, you're 63, Tuesday, 65, Wednesday, 68. So that forecast hasn't really changed. Remember, average this time of year is about 70. It's not until the end of next week we get back to about average around here. Okay.
All righty.
But I'm telling you, I think Saturday, a good chunk of that day is going to look pretty nice outside.
All right. It's the weekend. Thank you, Lonnie.